OMT Maths classes.
Dear 12th class students, I have told you question from exercise 2.1 in previous video. Question number 1 to 14 who is in CRT questions, and question number 1 to 3 from other important questions. In this video you see question number 4. फलन कोसेक इनवर्स x की मुख्य शाखा निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी है? Since you know that principal value branch of cosec inverse closed interval minus pi by 2 minus 0. So here option 3rd will be correct. Question number 5. व्यंजक sin इनवर्स 1 by 2 प्लस cos इनवर्स 1 by 2 का मान है। यहाँ 4 ऑप्शन गिवन है। We solve this question. Question number 5. Exercise 2.1. Question number 5. Sin inverse 1 by 2 plus cos inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 plus cos inverse 1 by 2. We may write this sin inverse sin pi by 6, since value of sin pi by 6 equal 1 by 2 plus cos inverse cos pi by 3. Here use formula sin inverse sin pi by 6 equal pi by 6 and cos inverse cos pi by 3 equal pi by 3. We may write here pi by 6 plus pi by 3. Simplify this 6 pi plus 2 pi 3 pi by 6, 3 to the 6. So we get value of this expression pi by 2. So, question number 6. व्यंजक 2 sec square 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2 का मान निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा है? Here in question number 6, finding the value of given expression. Given expression 2 sec inverse 2 sec inverse 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2 2 sec inverse sec pi by 3, since you know that sec pi by 3 equal to plus sin inverse sin pi by 6 we may write here by formula sec inverse sec theta equal theta and sin inverse sin theta equal theta. We may write here 2 into pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Simplify this. 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6. We get here LCM 6, 4, 5 plus pi 5 pi by 6. This is answer, and here option 4 is correct. Next, question number 7, who is very short answer type questions. Question number 7, sin inverse sin 4 pi by 5. यहाँ भी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, sin inverse sin 4 pi by 5. 4 pi by 5. This we may write as sin inverse sin pi minus pi by 5, since you know that principal value branch of sin inverse closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2, so here change angle 4 pi by 5 as pi minus pi by 5. Sin inverse sin pi by 5, we get pi by 5. This is answer. Next, question number 8, tan inverse tan 2 pi by 3. Tan inverse tan 2 pi by 3. We may write tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 3, since 2 pi by 3 will be equal to pi minus pi by 3. See here, 3 pi minus pi divided by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Tan inverse, since tan pi minus theta equal minus tan theta minus tan pi by 3. Tan inverse tan minus pi by 3, since tan minus theta equal minus tan theta, we get here minus pi by 3. This will be answer. Question number 9, cos inverse cos 8 pi by 7. cos inverse cos 8 pi by 7. Here we may write this cos inverse cos pi plus pi by 7, cos pi plus pi by 7 and cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So this we may write as cos inverse minus cos pi by 7 and this cos inverse minus cos pi by 7 we may write cos pi minus pi by 7, since you know that cos pi minus pi by 7 is equal to minus cos pi by 7, since in second quadrant cos be the negative. So we get here cos inverse cos 6 pi by 7, we get 6 pi by 7, since you know cos inverse cos theta equal theta, here theta equals 6 pi by 7, so we get 6 pi by 7. This is answer. Next, question number 10. Given here cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6, cos inverse cos 13 pi. बच्चों ये प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच ध्यान रखोगे तभी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू सही फाइंड कर पाओगे। और मैं जितने भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ सब में जो भी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन आ रहे हैं मैं सब में रिवाइज कर देता हूँ प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच को। Question number 10, given cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6, since principal value branch of cos inverse closed interval 0 pi, so here change this angle between 0 pi. We may write this cos inverse cos 2 pi plus pi by 6, 2 pi plus pi by 6. This 6 to the 12 pi plus pi 13 pi divided by 6, and you know cos 2 pi plus theta equal cos theta, so we may write here cos inverse cos pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6. This is answer. Question number 11. Tan inverse tan minus 11 pi by 4. Tan inverse tan minus 11 pi by 4. This we may write as tan inverse minus tan 11 pi by 4 since tan minus theta equal minus tan theta. Since you know that principal value branch of tan inverse open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so here change this angle in open interval minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 we may write as minus tan 2 pi plus 3 pi by 4. We get here tan inverse tan 2 pi plus theta equal tan theta minus tan 3 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 we may write as tan inverse minus tan pi minus pi by 4. Since pi minus pi by 4 equal 3 pi by 4, we get tan inverse tan pi minus theta equal minus tan theta and here theta equal pi by 4, so we get tan pi by 4. And by tan inverse tan theta equal theta we may write here pi by 4. This is answer. Question number 12. Cosec inverse cosec minus 14 pi by 6. Cosec inverse cosec minus 14 pi by 6 minus 14 pi by 6. Here since cosec minus theta equal minus cosec theta, we may write here cosec inverse minus cosec 14 pi by 6 and simplify this 7 3. We get cosec inverse minus cosec 2 pi plus pi by 3 2 pi plus pi by 3. Since 2 pi plus pi by 3 equals 7 pi by 3 and cosec 2 pi plus theta equal cosec theta and here came theta equal pi by 3, so we may write here cosec inverse minus cosec pi by 3. Here, since you know that cosec inverse minus cosec theta equal minus cosec inverse cosec theta. So here we may write as minus cosec inverse cosec pi by 3. I have told you in previous video, cosec inverse minus cosec theta equal minus cosec inverse cosec theta. So we will write here minus pi by 3. Since cosec inverse cosec theta equal theta, this is answer. Question number 16. Sin inverse sin minus 600 degree. We may write sin inverse sin. Since sin minus theta equal minus sin theta, so here may negative sign minus sin 600 degree. Sin inverse minus sin 2 into 360 minus 120. This will be equal to 600. We may write here sin inverse sin n into 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So here sin 120 sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 120 degree we may write in radian 2 pi by 3, but you know that principal value branch of sin inverse closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So here change this angle between closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2 sin inverse sin pi minus pi by 3 and you know sin pi minus theta equals sin theta, so we get here sin inverse sin pi by 3 and sin inverse sin theta equals theta, so we get pi by 3. This is answer. Next question number 17. You can solve this question as I solved question number 16. Question number 17. Short answer type questions. Cos inverse minus root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6. Here also finding value. बच्चों सॉल्यूशन में कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगी सॉल्व कर दूंगा। Question number 17, cos inverse cos inverse minus root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6. Here finding value. बुक में ये नहीं गिवन है कि इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है, लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन से ये समझ में आता है कि वैल्यू ही फाइंड करनी है। cos इनवर्स माइनस रूट 3 by 2 प्लस पाई by 6 cos इनवर्स माइनस cos प्लस पाई by 6 cos inverse. This we may write as cos pi minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Since you know that in second quadrant cos be the negative, so we may write here as cos pi by 6 cos pi minus pi by 6. We get cos inverse cos 5 pi by 6 plus pi by 6 cos inverse cos theta equal theta, so we may write here 5 pi by 6 plus pi by 6 5 pi by 6 plus pi by 6 equals 6 pi by 6 will be pi, so we may write here cos pi and cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and you know that cos pi by 2 plus theta equal minus cos theta, so we may write here minus cos pi by 2, and value of cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, so here minus into 0 is equal to minus into 0 means minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. This is answer. Question number 18. Sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Question number 18. Sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse minus sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 2 sin minus sin theta equals sin minus theta, so we may write sin minus pi by 6 sin pi by 2. Here sin inverse sin theta equals theta, so here will come minus pi by 6 and this minus plus pi by 6 sin LCM here 6 3 pi plus pi sin 4 pi by 6 2 3 equals sin 2 pi by 3, and for finding value of sin 2 pi by 3 we may write 2 pi by 3 as sin pi minus pi by 3. You know that sin pi minus theta equal sin theta, so sin pi by 3 equal root 3 by 2. This is answer. Question number 19 and 20. You solve yourself and send photo my WhatsApp. Question number 21. If you feel any problem in any question, then write with comment box. Question number 21. Quiz long answer type questions. Tan inverse minus 1 by root 3 plus cot inverse 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse sin minus pi by 2, sin minus pi by 2. Here finding value of this expression. For finding value, we find principal value of this and this and this. So we may write here tan inverse minus tan pi by 6 plus cot inverse cos pi by 3 cot pi by 3 since value of cot pi by 3 equal 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse sin minus theta equal minus sin theta. So we may write here minus sin pi by 2 here tan inverse tan minus pi by 6 since principal value branch of tan inverse open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here change angle pi by 6 in open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 plus cot inverse cot theta equal theta. So we may write here pi by 3 plus tan inverse minus 1 because sin pi by 2 equal 1. Tan inverse tan theta equal theta. So we may write here minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse minus tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse tan minus pi by 4. We get here minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse tan theta equal theta. So we may write here plus minus pi by 4. Simplify this minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Here LCM will be 12 minus 2 pi plus 4 pi minus 3 pi. This will be equal to minus 2 pi minus 3 pi minus 5 pi plus 4 pi minus pi by 12. This is answer. Next, last question of this exercise, question number 22. Question number 22 sin cot inverse. See here, question number 22 sin cot inverse cos tan inverse 1 cos tan inverse 1 ये फंक्शन गिवन है and finding here value of this function sin cot inverse cos tan इनवर्स tan पाई बाई 4, tan इनवर्स cos tan इनवर्स tan पाई बाई 4 we may write this sin cot inverse tan inverse tan theta equal theta, so we may write here cos pi by 4 since value of cos pi by 4 equal 1 by root 2 sin cot inverse 1 by root 2. Here cot inverse change in form sin inverse, then we will apply formula sin inverse theta equal theta. So for this, suppose this is first relation, let cot inverse 1 by root 2 equal theta. See here cot inverse 1 by root 2 equal theta, then we may write cot theta equal 1 by root 2 and taking square on both sides we get cot square theta equal 1 by 2. By adding 1 on both sides we get 1 plus cot square theta equal 1 by 2 plus 1. This will be equal to cosec square theta equal 3 by 2 and sin square theta will be equal to root 2 by 3 and sin theta will be equal to root 2 by 3, sin square theta equal 2 by 3. Sin theta will be equal to root 2 by 3. We may write here theta equal sin inverse root 2 by 3. Put the value of theta, cot inverse 1 by root 2, cot inverse 1 by root 2 equal sin inverse root 2 by 3. Put the value of cot inverse 1 by root 2 in form sin inverse under root 2 by 3. In first we get sin inverse root 2 by 3 equal root 2 by 3. This is answer. Thus this exercise 2.1 has completed. बच्चों अपने नोट्स को अच्छी प्रकार से प्रिपेयर करिए। यदि कहीं किसी भी क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, नहीं समझ पाते हैं, तो मुझे बताइए। मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में निश्चित रूप से उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर दूंगा। दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो। ऑल द बेस्ट।